You don't need to make any excuses because nobody is here to listen your excuses. And if you think, no, bro, somebody will listen my excuses, then brother, try to understand that nobody will come. And that is the harsh reality of life. If you think, no, I don't believe in you. Somebody will come, my brother, my sister, my father, mother, anyone. Nobody will come for your help. So you don't need to make any type of excuses. You just need to understand, bro, I want to do this. I want to do this, then what? If I want to study and if I have to study, then what the hell I'm giving excuses? If I have to do my work, then why the hell I'm giving any type of excuses? Because in the end, it doesn't matter, actually. And if you think, no, you are saying wrong. I really want to give an excuse so that I can't do my work. Why do you not like your responsibility? Your one responsibility is studying. And believe me, studying is so simple than earning money. It is so difficult. You can't understand it. When you come to reality of life, then you understand what the hell. What is this? It is really so crazy how to survive in this world. Then you understand, bro, no. School life was really so amazing. But now you can't understand it because maybe you are in your school, that's why. And when you passed from your school, then you will understand, bro. I understand it. What are you saying this? So that try to understand and don't give any excuses. If your work is studying, then study. Don't give any excuses. And take an example. Like you are giving excuses because you don't like your responsibility. Am I right? Yes, of course. Take an example like you want to what? Remember, I'm remembering. You want gold. Got it. Or take another example. You want to lose your virginity. Then you never give any excuses to not lose virginity. I know in other part you would say, bro, I don't want to lose my virginity. You know why you are saying this? Because you don't have anyone. Yes. Yes. If you have a chance to lose your virginity, you will, no matter what. And you are giving excuses. You are giving excuses because of what? Because you are not clear. You are not clear what you really want from your life. And when you get clear, oh, I want this thing in my life and I really want this, no matter what, then you never make any excuses. And when you find your goal, purpose, aim, anything, and then you just, I don't need to give any excuses. I just need to work. No matter what, I need to hard work with smart work in a right direction. Then you mature, you grown, you become a man who understands his responsibility. I need to do it. No matter what, no matter anything at all. And that's matter a lot, my friend. Don't make any excuses in your life. And if you make it, then I can't say anything to you. It is your responsibility to fulfill your responsibility. Take an example like you are saying, I don't want to fulfill my responsibility. And if your habit is escaping from responsibility, then why the hell you become a father? How the hell you become a husband? Tell me. How can you become a husband if you don't want responsibility? And if you are saying, no bro, I don't want to get married, then what the hell? How can you manage yourself? Your responsibility is you. And you're saying, I don't want my responsibility. Then how will you manage yourself? It is as simple as that. Got it? So don't make any type of excuses. If your work is to study. If your work is earning money, then earn it. I know it's difficult, but don't say it is difficult. If you say it is easy, now it is difficult, but in future it will be easy. So easy for me. That's why I'm saying always Say good thing to yourself. Don't say, I can't do it. Don't say like these things, actually. It is totally pointless that you're saying, I can't do it. What the hell are you saying? Huh? You can't. Why do you set your limitation? You are limitless, my friend. Don't overthink. If your work is to do something, then just do for it. Go for it. I know you will fail, and it is, of course, you are trying first time, you will fail. It is as simple as that. If you are really so lucky, like God's grace on you, then you will be succeed in your life so easily. But nobody is that lucky as you are. So don't give any excuses. Try to put in your mind, I don't need to give any excuses. I don't need to give any excuses. No, 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 no. I need to do it. I need to. Why am I'm tired? Okay, I get sleep, and then I will start my work. Got it? Don't say I don't have this. Always think about what I have, what I have, what I can do, what I can do now. What is the problem with me? Why I'm not taking action if the information is overload? Why I'm stuck in analysis paralysis? Why I'm thinking a lot? Because you are not taking action. So, if you think, no, he's saying right, it is simple, really simple, then your mind will make things so simpler. You can't imagine. So, just focus on those things you can control and try to ignore those things you can't. But most of people focus on can't. That's why they always fail and they always unhappy. So always focus on can. Try to understand what you can do. Always try to find what I have. Okay. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Never make any type of excuses in your life.